Farmington, Missouri, just over an hour south of St. Louis, this town offers small town charm with big conveniences. But is it the right place for you? Let's find out. Today, I'm giving you a full drone tour of Farmington. We'll check out the neighborhoods, schools, outdoor spots, home prices, and even a few hidden costs you should know before moving here. We'll cover job opportunities, the cost of living, schools, and the local lifestyle. Stick around to the end because I'll share a few things that might surprise you about living here in Farmington. Farmington is packed with outdoor activities. There are 17 public parks with playgrounds, sport fields, and trails. If you're into off-roading, State Joe State Park is one of the best ATV spots in Missouri with camping, fishing, horseback riding, and much more. There's even a golf course and a water park, making this a great town for outdoor lovers. Now, let's talk about jobs and the local economy because that's a big factor when choosing where to live. Farmington has a strong job market with major employers in healthcare, education, manufacturing, and retail. Parkland Health Center is one of the largest employers in the area, and there's a solid manufacturing presence. If you work in tech or a corporate field, though, you might need to commute to St. Louis, which is about a 75-minute drive. Next up, let's dive into schools because that's a big deal for families. Farmington School District is well rated with strong sport programs in football and wrestling and a few more. There's no major universities here, but Mineral Area College is nearby and offers solid programs. Now, if you're looking for a 4-year university, St. Louis is the closest major hub for higher education. Now, let's get into something important, which is healthcare and safety. One of Farmington's biggest perks is its healthcare. Parkland Health Center is one of the top-rated community hospitals in the country. And they even have a helicopter service for emergency transport to St. Louis. Now, let's talk about what it actually costs to live here. Farmington is an affordable place to live. Average home price is around $240,000, which is well below the national average. Whether you're looking for a starter home, a few acres for horses, or something close to downtown, there are great options. Property taxes and utilities are also relatively low, making this a budget-friendly place to live. Next, let's check out the local food scene and lifestyle. Farmington's food scene is growing. You've got food chains like Chick-fil-A, Panera Bread, and much more, but also highly rated barbecue spots and farm-to-table dining. The community is tight-knit, with plenty of small businesses adding character to the town. However, nightlife is limited, so if you want more entertainment options, St. Louis is your best bet. Before we wrap up, here are a few things you should watch out for before moving here. Farmington is great, but here are a few things that you need to consider. First, if you need a big city job, expect a 75-minute commute to St. Louis. Second, the pace of life here is slower. If you love a fast-moving city vibe, it might be too quiet. And lastly, while there are plenty of small shops and local businesses, you won't find big shopping malls or high-end entertainment options nearby. Farmington is perfect for those who want small town charm, outdoor activities, affordable homes, and top-notch healthcare. So if you're thinking about buying, selling, or relocating to Farmington, I'd love to help. Reach out anytime, and don't forget to check out the next video where I break down the biggest pros and cons of living here in Farmington, Missouri.